New at 10 o'clock here. A warning from the Austin Public Safety Commission tonight. The city's system for helping sexual assault survivors could soon face a major gap.
There's a push to find a solution before a key provider stops offering forensic exams. KVUE's Brianna Perez shows us how quickly this could impact sexual assault survivors.
We are in a real funding pinch, and the risk of our program having to shut down, specifically forensic nursing program, is turning into a likelihood.
After months of warnings, Safe Alliance says their funding shortfall is now taking a toll on their services.
We have not been able to secure appropriate funding levels for the continuation of forensic examinations of the Safe Alliance.
During a Public Safety Commission meeting Monday, officials with Safe Alliance, the nonprofit that supports survivors of child abuse, sexual assault, and domestic violence, said they are moving closer to no longer providing forensic examination services. By the end of the week, organization leaders say they plan to send termination notices to hospitals, Austin PD, and other partners who use the services.
To have to come to a meeting and say this is at risk is not only a professional failure for us, but it is personal. It is absolutely personal.
In the past year, CEO Pierre Barastain says the organization has lost $5.6 million in federal, state, local, and philanthropic funding. Several services are now at risk, including Eloise House, which officials say conducts about 95% of all forensic exams in Austin. Barastain says they need $3 million to keep their doors open.
As of June 8th, that capacity goes away and it diverts back to hospital systems. Hospitals have the statutory responsibility to provide those services.
Without these services, Barastain says survivors may choose not to get forensic exams. Cases could lack key evidence for prosecution, and reporting may decrease. Commissioners echoed that worry.
I am terrified that all of the good work and the progress that the CSCRM has been doing can really come to a screeching halt if we are not doing and serving forensic exams.
Barastain says it will take a collective effort to find a resolution.
Again, this is a community problem that requires a community solution and therefore a community investment.
Austin police representatives say they are already in talks with other providers to ensure there is no gap and working internally to discuss next steps if Eloise House closes. Meanwhile, public safety commissioners approved a recommendation supporting a multi-agency approach to forensic exams, including exploring and funding city or county-run facilities. In studio, Brianna Perez, KVUE News.